Today we are going to discuss about linear inequation. So what is the equation? So we know that equations means when we are using equal sign. That means when we are using equal signs, this is called equation. Okay. And when we are using less than or greater than or less than equals to or greater than equals to sign, then the inequations is there. So that means in equation we get confirm value of the variable, and in inequation we are getting a different solution set for the value of x or variable. So now, for example, see that 2 is less than 3. Similarly, we can write this one also. Number 2, see that 5 is greater than 2. Similarly, we can write 2 is less than 5. Now, in 3, we can write 5 is greater than equals to 4. That means the value of 5 is 4 or greater than equals to 4. Okay. So similarly, in number 4, we can write 2 by 7 is less than equals to 2 by 7. That means the value is equal or less than. So these type of things we are normally apply here. Now, such this equation when are solving, we are getting a set, and with the given condition we are finding the solution set. Suppose, for example, x is less than 3. So that means we are writing any number less than 3 is belongs to x. Any number, that means see that minus 5 is applicable, minus 3 is applicable, any minus number is also applicable, and for only positive 1 and 2 are applicable here. Okay, so now see that in the solution set, when we are finding the solution set, we are using the replacement set. So what is the replacement set? Replacement set, suppose one set is given with a condition. Okay, suppose one set is given with a condition. That means suppose replacement set R equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now the condition is x is less than 3 or less than equal to 3. Okay, so now you have to find the solution set from this replacement set, that is 1, 2, 3. Okay, if here equal to not given, that means strictly increasing also, we can say that in senior classes. So if x is less than 3, that means the solution set is only 1 and 2. Okay, the solution set is only 1 and 2. Now, for the solving of the linear inequations, the process will shown in the exercise. Now, the two or one or two tricks that we followed from the when you solution the sums. That is the main trick, and the important trick is suppose x is less than 2 is given. That means we can apply minus x. If you multiply minus 1 in both sides, then you have to write this 2. That means this sign will change here. Okay, this sign will be changed here. Okay, similarly, suppose minus 6x greater equals to 12 is given. Okay, then we can write, if we multiple or divide, okay, if you divide by minus 6 in both sides, then also this sign will be changed. Okay, so that means minus 6x by minus 6, 12 by minus 6. That means x is less than equals to minus 2. Okay, so this is the trick for the solution, finding the solution set. So now we are going to start our exercise. Before we start, one more thing. We are using I or Z for integer. Okay, so I or Z for integer, R for real numbers, and W for whole numbers. Okay, so we are using I or Z for integers, R for real number, and W for whole number. Now we are going to start our exercise. See that in number 1, see that 3x minus 11 less than 3 is given. Now if we solve, we get 3x 11 in this side, so plus 11, so 14. So x is less than 14 by 3. Now where x is belongs to 0, 1, 2 up to 10. So that means 14 by 3. That means the whole number is given. So from this set, 1, 2, 3, 4 are common, because 5 by 3, that means 15. So 15 is not here because 14 by 3 is there. So solution set is 1, 2, 3 by 4. Now you have to express in the number line. Number line should be drawn by pencil. No pen will be allowed in the exam. Okay, you have to draw in the pencil. So see that you have to draw like that. So this is the x dash, this is the O, and this is the x. Okay, now you have to mention 1, 2, 3, 4 with a bold dot. Okay, with a bold dot for mentioning 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now next one. So in number 4, see that 30 minus 4 into 2x minus 1 less than 30 given, where x is positive integer, that is I plus. Okay, so now if we write 30 in the right hand side, so minus 4 is into 2x minus 1 less than 30 minus 30, that is 0. Now minus 4, 2x minus 1 less than 0. Now if we divide both sides by minus 4, then the sign will be changed. This is the main thing here. Okay, so 2x minus 1 greater than 0, so 2x greater than 1, so x greater than half. That means all the numbers, that is positive integers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity, are in the solution set. Read the question properly. If in the question given that represent the solution set in the number line, then you have to draw the number line, otherwise not. Okay, next one. Now in number 7, see that x minus 3 into 2 plus x greater than 2 into 3x minus 1. So now if you open the bracket, then you can write x minus 6 minus 3x greater than 6x minus 2. Now we are writing x in the left side and the numbers on the right side. So x minus 3x minus 6x greater than minus 2 plus 6. That means minus 8x greater than 4. If we divide both sides by minus 8, then we get x is less than minus 4 by 8. That means minus half. So x is less than minus half. So here in the given set, see that in the given set given x belongs to minus 3 to 2. So here less than half is minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3, which is belongs to the solution set only. And we are representing in the number line also. Okay. Note down all of it. Next one. In number 10, see that 11 minus 2x by 5 greater than equals to 9 minus 3x by 8 plus 3 by 4, where x belongs to natural number. So now see that just simply calculated here, the LCM is 8, so 9 minus 3x and plus 6. Okay. Now this is 9 plus 6, 15. So 11 minus 2x by 5 greater than equals to 15 minus 3x by 8. Okay. So now if we cross multiply, then you get 18 minus 16x, 15 into 5, that is 75, and 3 into 5, 15x. Okay, now the changing the variables. So minus 16x plus 15x greater than equals to 75 minus 88. So we can write minus x is greater than equals to minus 13. So we can write my x is less than equals to 13. Since x belongs to natural number, then solution set is 1 to 30. Okay, that's all. Next. Now in number 12, see that 3 by 5x minus 2x minus 1 by 3 greater than 1. So that means if we calculate, we get 9x minus 10x plus 5 greater than 15. That means minus x is greater than 10. So if we divide by minus 1 on both sides, then we get x is less than minus 10. Okay. But in the question given, x is belongs to whole number. This is the belongs to sign. Okay. So x is belongs to whole number. So the solution set is empty set. Okay. Solution set is empty set. We are representing empty set as phi. Phi is represented as empty set. Okay. Or null set. So that means it can be represented on the number line. We cannot represent null set in a number line. Okay. Thank you. Next one. Now in number 14, see that 3 is greater than or equals to x minus 4 by 2 plus x by 3 greater than or equals to 2, where x belongs to integer. Okay. X belongs to integer. For this type of problem, we are taking first these two parts and nextly last two parts. Okay. Firstly taking the first two parts and lastly next two parts. See that 3 greater than equals to x minus 4 by 2 plus x by 3. So now the LCM of these two is 6. So we can write 3. This is 6. So 3x minus 12 plus 2x. That means 18. This is 5x minus 12. So that means 30 greater than equals to 5x. That means 6 is greater than equals to x. You can write it this way also, x is less than equals to 6. Okay. Now for next part. For the next part, see that x minus 4 by 2 plus x by 3 greater than equals to 2. This is given. So see that x minus 4, same thing, this is 6, and similarly the calculation is same. So this is 5x minus 12, 2. Okay, so that means 5x minus 12, and this is 12. So now we can write here 5x equals to 24. That means x greater than equals to 24 by 5. 24 by 5 means is less than 5. Okay. That is, if we write it, we can write here x less than equals to 4 of 4 by 5. Now the region is, see that the region is x is greater than 6 and less than equals to 4 of 4 by 5. So this is the set, solution set. Okay, the solution set is 5 and 6, because integer given, so only 5 and 6 are belongs to this interval. Okay, so now if we represent this in a number line, you can draw like that. X dash, x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and minus 1 only. So this is 5, 6 they have to represent. So 5 and 6. Okay. Next one. In number 15, see that 1 greater than equals to 15 minus 7x greater than 2x minus 27, where x belongs to natural number. So now see that if we take first part, so 1 greater than equals to 15 minus 7x, that means 1 minus 15 greater than equals to minus 7x, that means minus 14 greater than equals to minus 7x. If we divide by minus 7, we get 2 less than equals to x. Now similarly last two parts, 15 minus 7x greater than 2x minus 27. So that means 15 plus 27 greater than 9x. That means 42 greater than 9x. That means x is less than 42 by 9. So that means x here belongs to 2 and 4 of 6 by 9. So x is given as natural number. Natural numbers start from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So we are starting from 2 because equals to given. So equals to 2. 2 is there and 4. Okay, so 2, 3, 4. The solution set is 2, 3, 4 here. So no number line is there in the question. So don't do that. Okay. Next one. In number 18, see that 3x by 5 minus 2x minus 1 by 3 greater than 1, where x belongs to a real number. This is one of the important sum in this exercise. See that now if we solve it, so this is 15 is the LCM, so that means 9x minus 10x plus 5, 15. Okay. So now, if we write 5 in the right hand side, so you can write this is minus x 15 minus 5. That means minus x is 10. That means x is less than minus 10. Okay. And here given x is belongs to a real number. So see that That means you have to represent in the solution set. The solution set is, we can write in this way also, x such that x belongs to R, x is less than minus 10. Okay, we can write in this way also. So solution set of the number line we are representing now. So this is 0, x dash, x, this is minus 1, like that. Similarly, this is minus 10. Okay. For some spaces we are just ignoring the middle. You have to write in the copy. Don't do like me. Okay. So now minus 11, minus 12, minus 13 and so on. So now you have to represent like that. Bold it. Because this region is going on. Okay. Okay, that's all for the first part of linear inequation. Now the rest of the exercise are in a second part. Thank you all of you. Take care. Bye. And the remaining sums are homework. Thank you all.